Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 GMC Sierra SLT Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number Z9733A. 88,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Sonoma red metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, leather interior. Seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space, and rear defrost for excellent visibility. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, and spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, lower the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting and integrated trailer brake control. Pages with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can sync smartphones, Pandora, radio app, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. Power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. All the power outlets you'll need. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and home transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this here is a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon and a city average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this year, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.